When selecting a garage receptacle pedestal for portable toolboxes, there are several options to consider. Firstly, industrial electrical pedestals are a purpose-built solution. Legrand's wire mold power pole is one example. Eaton offers B-line pedestals for power distribution systems. Bussmann provides floor pedestals designed for electrical applications. Hubbell Power Systems manufactures power pedestals. Siemens offers the BD3 core power floor pedestal. Secondly, consider modular furniture poles. While not specifically designed for electrical receptacles, some can be adapted. IKEA's Apple umbrella stand might be repurposed. CB2 offers the plinth wire cover, which could be integrated into a pedestal design. West Elm sells a pipe stand. HAY offers the loop stand high. Thirdly, explore custom options. Hiring a metal fabricator allows for a tailored solution that meets specific needs. This allows for control over height, size, finish, and receptacle configuration. Other considerations should include weight capacity. Ensure the pedestal can safely support the weight of the toolboxes and any attached equipment. Also consider the number of receptacles. Determine the number of outlets needed to power all the tools. Cord management is an important safety and convenience feature. Look for pedestals with built-in cord management to keep cords organized and prevent tripping hazards. Review product specifications and installation guidelines for any selected product.